When you make mashed potatoes for someone, you are directly showing them how much you give or don't give a shit about them. I think it's fair to say that dry, non-luxurious, lumpy, under-seasoned potato puree won't score you many points with anyone. I like using either red-skinned Desiree or russet potatoes, but many suitable varieties exist. I'll leave a few down in the description. My best advice: pick a tatty that's firm and pale inside. Soft, slightly yellow fresh potatoes makes horrible mash, no matter how much butter and love you give it. Kinda like your first time. Turn your oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Start by not peeling or boiling your potatoes. Let's start smart instead. Okay. Wash your tatties so they're nice, hygienic and dirt-free. Wrap them tightly in slightly seasoned and lightly oiled foil squares. The oil is just to make the salt stick evenly, and the salt is to capture some moisture when the potatoes are cooking. Once wrapped, place your spaced potatoes on a tray and bake for about 45 minutes depending on their size. They are cooked when a toothpick inserted goes in easily and comes out easily, kinda like your last time. Basically, they should just be cooked fully. Next, place a pan over medium heat and add a few fat knobs of butter. 40% the weight of the potatoes to be exact. While you do that, open that special bottle of wine you've been saving, call your doctor, lawyer, priest and undertaker. They might want to come for dinner. Whip out your sieve and place it over the melted butter. Turn off the heat. Cut them tatties in half and press them through the sieve. Keep the skins if you want to make crispy potato skins. I was gonna show you, but I forgot mine in the oven for a few hours. Let's just say they weren't ideal. I'll leave a link to the written version of this recipe down in the description. Crispy skins included. Swiftly moving along, once the potatoes are all pressed through, make sure to mix it through the butter. It will look a little bit split at first, but don't worry. Turn the stovetop on low, place your pan back and add warmed up milk little by little until the mashed potatoes emulsifies again and looks smooth. You can add as little or as much as you want. I don't like my mashed potatoes to be stodgy and firm. This way it's more luxurious, velvety, light and sexy. But others like something that can be shaped or sculptured into the statue of David. That's not my thing, but do what you like. Once you reach your desired consistency, season with sea salt. You should now have mashed potatoes so sexy and buttery that you find it hard to contain yourself. But of course we need to push it over the edge. And finish up with a glug of green, grassy fresh, amazing quality extra virgin olive oil, chopped chives and cracked black pepper.